Good morning and welcome to the E-class of St. Xavier's High School, Adipur. Today, we are going to study Science of Standard 7, chapter number 7, that is Weather, Climate and Adaptations of Animals to the Climate, part 1. So, we all know that India is having three kind of seasons, that is winter, summer and monsoon. Okay. So, how these things are affecting and what are the things including in this, that is temperature, humidity, rainfall. Abhi temperature, it may be high, it may be low. Okay, means if the temperature is high, we feel hot. If the temperature is low, we feel cold. Okay, and the rainfall, how much the rainfall is there? 1 centimeter, 1 inch. Okay, different kinds of rainfall is there in our India. Means the amount of rainfall are different in different regions. And humidity means the moisture content. The high humidity means the high moisture content in the atmosphere. So let us see what is weather. Daily weather report carries information about the temperature, humidity and rainfall during the past 24 hours. Okay, so weather की जब बात हो रही है, that is of only 24 hours. Okay, not for the whole month, not for the whole weekend, nothing. It is only for the one day, only for the 24 hours. Okay, it also predicts the weather for the day. Humidity is a measure of the moisture in the air. Rainfall is measured by an instrument called the rain gauge. Okay, children, this is very important. It can come in 1 mark. That dash is the instrument which is used for the measurement of the rainfall. So your answer is rain gauge. It is basically measuring cylinder with a funnel on the top to collect rainwater. Okay. So the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to the temperature, rainfall and its humidity and wind speed etc. is called the weather of that place. So हमें कैसे पता चलेगा of that weather of that place? Okay, so these 3 to 4 things we have to keep in our mind, that is the temperature, humidity, rainfall. If the rainfall is occurring there, then and then only this third measure is we have to count. Okay, or else on the basis of the temperature, humidity and wind speed, we can calculate the weather. Okay, we can predict the weather what it is. Okay, and this whole thing when we are calculating all these things of a one place, then that place we are calling that is a weather of that place. The temperature, humidity and other factors are called the element of the factors. So the ones which we are taking care while observing the weather of that day, of any day. Okay, that is as per the humidity, temperature and other factors which are affecting the weather conditions. The weather of a place changes day after day and week after week. Okay, the weather is such a complex phenomena that it can vary over short periods of time. Okay, so children, if you have ever thought about that, sometimes if you ever observed that sometimes it is very sunny. Okay, and suddenly the clouds come and the rainfall occurs. Okay, and it may be a very heavy rainfall, although there was no such scenario or a climate which shows that today the rainfall will occur, because it would be a sunny day. Okay, but after the clouds come, after that sunny day, the clouds come and the rainfall occurs very nicely. So that is the weather which is changing in a very short period. Okay, children. Now, how the sun is affecting our weather? Okay, sun is a very important for our world, our earth. Okay, so this sun, how it is affecting our weather. Due to the sun rays, the temperature increases and decreases. Okay, so let us see how the sun is affecting the weather conditions. All changes in the weather are caused by the sun. The sun is a huge sphere of hot gases at a very high temperature. Okay children, so it is having a lot of gases and it is having a very high temperature. The distance of the sun from us is very large. Okay, it is very far from the earth. Then also we get that much heat. Even then, the energy sent out by the sun is so huge that it is a source of all the heat and light on the earth. So, the sun is the primary source of energy that causes changes in the weather. So, what is the primary source of the weather? That is sun energy, the sun. Okay. Energy absorbed and reflected by the earth's surface, oceans and the atmosphere play important role in determining the weather of any place. Okay. So, the energy which is absorbed and reflected, okay, by the earth's surface, जो हमारा अर्थ का सरफेस है उसके थ्रू वॉट एवर द लाइट इज एब्जॉर्ब एंड वॉट एवर द लाइट इज emitted, okay, the absorbed and reflected one, that decides the weather of any place. The ones who live near the sea would have realized that the weather at this place is different from that a place of in a desert or a near area. Now let us see the second topic of the chapter, that is climate. Meteorologists record the weather every day. Meteorologist is a job, okay, which does what does he do? He calculate the weather of every day, not the climate. Climate is a very big thing. Climate बहुत सालों के बाद we assume that this is the climate of that place. But weather it is a condition which changes every day. So जो भी हम measure कर रहे हैं हमारा climate का temperature, okay, of one day, that is considered in the weather, not in the climate. Okay, so records of the weather have been preserved for the past several decades. One decade is equals to 10 years. Okay, so from past several decades means बहुत 10 years से 10 into many years. Okay, so these help us to determine the weather pattern of a place. That these type of the several decades weather records are helpful for deciding the climate of that place. The average weather pattern taken over a long time, say 25 years, is called the climate of that place. Okay, so 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, 25 years, जो बहुत लॉन्ग टाइम से हम एक चीज़ ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं दैट दिस रीजन इज हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ रेनफॉल. Okay, so what we will say that the climate of this region is having a very good rainfall. Okay, if we find that the temperature at a place is high most of the time, then we say that the climate of that place is hot, like Rajasthan and such. Okay, we have seen from a long time, from the last long years, okay, suppose 25 years. Is there any change? No. That time the temperature is changing every day. Okay, but in the high amount. So when the temperature is getting into the high amount, then what is the climatic condition of that place? It is very hot. If there is also heavy rainfall on most of the days in the same place, then we say that the climate of that place is hot and dry. Climate of different states of India. In India, Rajasthan will show the temperature is high during most of the part of the year. But during winter, which lasts only for few months, okay, 2 to 3 months or 3 to 4 months only the winter remains. The temperature is quite low. This region receives very little rainfall. This is a typical desert climate. It is hot and dry. The northeastern India receives rain for major part of the year. Okay, so they are having almost rainfall in their months. Okay, therefore we can say that the climate of the northeast is wet. So children, till now we have studied about the weather and the climate. Hope you all understood. If you are having any kind of doubt, we will be discussing in our live session. Thank you and have a nice day.